Hi, I'm going to talk to you about fixing dull spots in your OPI Powder Perfection top coat. The first thing I'm going to do is explain to you why you might get the dull spots and how to avoid them. So a couple things can cause dull spots in your Powder Perfection top coat. One of the most common causes is that you didn't apply enough activator to the nail, or you didn't apply it evenly. So where there might not be enough activator to activate the top coat, you're not going to get that high shine out of the top coat that we expect. Another reason might be that if you've touched the fingernail after you've filed it and before you've either applied the activator, or even after the activator and before the top coat. So some oils on your finger can do that as well. And another one is actually overworking your Powder Perfection top coat. And what I mean by that is brushing too many times and overworking the product as you're applying it. So you want to make sure you do a 3-stroke method with your top coat each time that you apply it. So if you do get a dull spot in your top coat, a really quick way to fix it is with your OPI Shiner Buffer Black. We don't want to put more top coat on it, because if the problem was that we didn't have enough activator on it, the activator is not going to activate this either. So putting on more is just going to exacerbate the problem. So instead, super quick fix. You don't have to take the file. You don't have to file the whole nail all the way down again. Just take your Shiner Buffer Block. Just take your OPI Shiner file. Start with the green side. Buff the dull spot down, and then move to the white side, which is the 4000 side, and buff it to a high shine. And there we go. Super quick, easy way to fix any little dull spots in your top coat if you should get them.